Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. First we are coloring the number of 1. O-N-E 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. The next one is 3. The number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. Kids, the next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are coloring number 4. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Now we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring triangle. Kids, now we are using the color of green and coloring triangle. And the next one is circle. And the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red and coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using red color. And the next one is square. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, now we'll draw alphabets. First we'll draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, first we'll draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of blue. The alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose and for nest. Subscribe to our channel. And now we draw and coloring the alphabet of O. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin, P for parrot. The next one is Q. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. And the next one is T. T for teacher. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of red. Kids, now we are coloring and draw the alphabet of A. And the next one is B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Now we are using the color of red. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose, and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. Subscribe to our channel. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. And the next one is W. X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.